Hello everyone, this is English Tutor Hub official channel and welcome back to our English lesson where learning English feels like art. And today we shall be looking at degree courses abbreviations in English. Let's get started. Abbreviation in English is an important topic to master from the perspective of English language learners. It's a fact that abbreviations in English are very common and frequently used in both formal and informal writings and speeches. Of them, degree courses abbreviations are more commonly used in academic writings and speeches. Therefore, learning the abbreviations of degree courses such as undergraduate, postgraduate, and doctorate levels becomes essential for all level learners of English. In this video, we've covered number 1, undergraduate level courses abbreviations. That is UG courses abbreviation. Number 2, postgraduate level courses abbreviation or PG courses abbreviations. 3, doctorate level courses abbreviations or doctorate courses abbreviations. Let's jump into the topic without any further delay. Degree courses abbreviations in English. You should note that the abbreviations given below are of the courses that are offered in the US and India. Here are the abbreviations of degree courses. BTech, Bachelor of Technology. BBA, Bachelor of Business Administration. MBA, Master of Business Administration. BCom, Bachelor of Commerce. BA, Bachelor of Arts. BSc, Bachelor of Science. BFA, Bachelor of Fine Arts. LLB, Bachelor of Legislative Law. LLM, Master of Legislative Law. BCA, Bachelor of Computer Applications. MCA, Master of Computer Applications. MSc, Master of Science. MFA, Master of Fine Arts. MA, Master of Arts. MTech, Master of Technology. AA, Associate of Arts. AAT, Associate of Arts for Transfer. AAA, Associate of Applied Arts. AAB, Associate of Applied Business. AAS, Associate of Applied Science. BAA, Bachelor of Applied Arts. BACom, Bachelor of Arts in Communication. BAC, Bachelor of Accountancy. BAJ, Bachelor of Arts in Journalism. BAM, Bachelor of Arts in Music. BAG, Bachelor of Agriculture. BCE, Bachelor of Civil Engineering. BAE, Bachelor of Arts in Education. BDES, Bachelor of Design. BE, Bachelor of Engineering. BEE, Bachelor of Electrical Engineering. BGS, Bachelor of General Studies. BHS, Bachelor of Health Science. BLive, Bachelor of Library Science. BPS, Bachelor of Professional Studies. BPhil, Bachelor of Philosophy. BSChem, Bachelor of Science in Chemistry. BSPH, Bachelor of Science in Public Health. BSW, Bachelor of Social Work. MSW, Master of Social Work. BTS, Bachelor of Tourist Studies. MAC, Master of Accountancy. MArch, Master of Architecture. M-Aqua, Master of Aquaculture. MA Ed, Master of Arts in Education. MAS, Master of Advanced Studies. MASC, Master of Applied Science. MAT, Master of Arts in Teaching. MBAS, Master of Business. MBI, Master of Business Information, Informatics. MChem, Master of Chemistry. MCOM, Master of Commerce. MCRIM, Master of Criminology. MCD, Master of Communication Disorders. MCF, Master of Computational Finance. MCJ, Master of Criminal Justice. MCP, Master of City Planning. MCS, Master of Computer Science. MCT, Master of Creative Technologies. MDes, Master of Design. ME, Master of Engineering. MEd, Master of Education. MEnt, Master of Enterprise. MEM, Master of Engineering Management. MFin, Master of Finance. MFE, Master of Financial Economics. MH, Master of Humanities. MHS, Master of Health and Science. MIB, Master of International Business. AIT, Associate of Industrial Technology. AOT, Associate of Occupational Technology. AS, Associate of Science. APS, Associate of Public Service. APT, Associate in Physical Therapy. AT, Associate of Technology. BComt, Bachelor of Controlling. BA, Econ, Bachelor of Arts in Economics. BAOM, Bachelor of Arts in Organizational Management. BAS, Bachelor of Administrative Studies. BF, Bachelor of Aviation. BBIS, Bachelor of Business Information Systems. BCHE, Bachelor of Chemical Engineering. BF, Bachelor of Economics. BASC, Bachelor of Engineering Science. BF and TV, Bachelor of Film and Television.